Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be installing the transition strip on this step here in the kitchen. Alright, so we did the vinyl in this back room. So we did the vinyl in this back room last week. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's up above. Just watch this one first. I went today to Lowe's, Home Depot to look at the transition strips. They're like $15 to $20 each, right? I have one, two, and then a bathroom transition that I need to make. So that's, $15 a piece. That's $45. So I said I'll just figure something out. So I picked up 1/4 inch by 4 foot poplar from Lowe's, and then some 1/2 inch by 4 foot poplar. And what I'm going to do, right, is take the 1/4 inch, use it for this top piece, and take the 1/2 inch and do it for the front piece, and just make a little L. Like that. And then I'll also, like that. And then I'm gonna router this edge, round it out. Maybe even this one back here. Not sure yet if I want to leave it on top or if I want to cut the vinyl out to make it flush. But this is basically how it's going to be. It's gonna go over the step like that. And the best part is this was like $3. No, this was like $3.10, and this one was like $2.50. So under $6. Actually, I had to buy 2 of them, right? So I bought all the stuff for this. I bought these, and then I bought a piece of poplar, 6 foot, 1 by 3/4 inch by 6 foot for the bathroom because it's a little bit higher. But I spent a total of $18 before tax, $20 and something since after tax, and that'll be all 3 of my transitions. So I'm going to show you how I do the stair one. Alright guys, so got it drying. Like I said, I just bought these pieces because I didn't want to cut down to 1/4 inch. So I have the long piece here, the 4-foot piece, and then I had a few inches right here. I don't know if you can tell. It was short, like 7 inches, so I put that on the long piece and then ran this piece. So I staggered them. And then here, I'm gonna have this last piece right here. And yeah, I could have got them all from one piece if I wanted to cut my own 1/4-inch pieces. They didn't have anything longer, but just one step. We will fill it, sand it, make it look good. Alright, here is our stair piece that we left drying overnight. So this is just glued for now. I'm gonna go here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is put some construction adhesive and some nails to hold it in place, and then after that we'll fill the cracks and the nail holes. Just prep it for staining. We'll try to get a stain to match the luxury vinyl plank that we have on there, and I think it'll work. Originally I was gonna cut out the vinyl at the edge of this, but then I figured I'll leave it on top, and that way it'll hold these edge pieces down, and less chance of them lifting up on the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Guys, there we have it. I'm gonna leave it raw. I'm gonna cover it with tape until we stain the floors out in the living room, till we resand them, and we'll stain it all at the same time. But real wood transitions, simple. Alright guys, I just wanted to jump on here and say that I just did the step transition on here for the LVP, because it was getting too long. It was like 15 minutes with the other one, 16. I thought that was too much for just the transitions. So I'll put the part 2 up next, and you'll be able to see how I made the flat transitions from tile to wood. But this is the step transition from LVP for the LVP. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, hit that like. That's subscribe, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000, about halfway there, guys. So help me out, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And thanks for checking out the video, guys. We'll see you guys next week.